Welcome to Baby Bird Play! Hey, hey, hey! Clap your hands! Come on, friends! Let's count together!
One, O-N-E. One bright sun smiles at me. Two, T-W-O. Two little birds say hello. Three, T-H-R-E-E. Three buzzing bees around a tree. Four, F-O-U-R. Four fun cars go vroom once more. Five, F-I-V-E. Five happy fish splash and dive. Count with me, come and play. Learning numbers every day. 1 to 10, loud and clear. Learning is fun, give a cheer. Six, S-I-X. Six little chicks doing tricks. Seven, S-E-V-E-N. Seven stars shine up in heaven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T. Eight balloons look so bright. Nine, N-I-N-E. Nine butterflies fly so free. 10, T-E-N. 10 good friends shout again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Learning makes our minds alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's sing together once again. Count with me, come and play. Learning numbers every day. 1 to 10, loud and clear. Learning is fun, give a cheer. Count with me, come and play. Learning numbers every day. 1 to 10, loud and clear. Learning is fun, give a cheer.
Thanks for watching! If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!